Each kidney consists of billions of cells which are called nephron or uriniferous tubules. Now let us see the structure of one cell which is present in kidney, or structure of nephron. It consists of a cup-shaped Bowman's capsule. Bowman's capsule leads to proximal convoluted tubule. Proximal मतलब अगला, आगे वाला. Convoluted, convoluted मतलब which is not straight. As you can see, this is coiled or convoluted. Tubule, tubule means tube-like structure. अगला coiled tube-like structure, that is proximal convoluted tubule, which leads to a U-shaped or hairpin-shaped structure, and this is called loop of Henle. And then there is distal convoluted tubule. Distal मतलब पिछला. Distal convoluted tubule. Convoluted वही which is not straight, it is coiled, and tubule is a tube-like structure, and it opens into the next part, that is the collecting duct. This is collecting duct. Now this is one nephron. Now let us repeat. A nephron or uriniferous tubule consists of, number 1, Bowman's capsule, which is made up of single layer of epithelial cells, and then proximal convoluted tubule, U-shaped or hairpin shaped loop of Henle, then distal convoluted tubule which opens into collecting duct. In one collecting duct we can see various openings of nephrons. ये जो है, this opening here is also a nephron, another nephron, another nephron. Many nephrons, they open into the collecting duct. Bowman's capsule, the blood vessel which brings in oxygenated blood to Bowman's capsule, it is called efferent arteriole. And the blood vessel which takes away deoxygenated blood, it is bringing in oxygenated blood, it is taking out deoxygenated blood, this is called efferent arteriole. Efferent arteriole plus efferent arteriole, दोनों blood vessels जो हैं together, they are called glomerulus. Now efferent arteriole प्लस efferent arteriole प्लस Bowman's capsule, यानी कि ये दोनों blood vessels प्लस Bowman's capsule, यानी इतना पार्ट, ये, this is called Malpighian tubule. Let us revise. Nephron consists of Bowman's capsule, proximal convoluted tubule, loop of Henle, distal convoluted tubule, and collecting duct. Bowman's capsule is made up of single layer of epithelial cells. Blood vessel which brings in oxygenated blood is called efferent arteriole. Blood vessel which takes out deoxygenated blood is called efferent arteriole. Efferent plus efferent arteriole is called glomerulus, and efferent, and the Bowman's capsule, this is called Malpighian tubule. Now